Since I was young, whatever I explored in the world, whether it's sports, friends, socially, academically, even just traveling, I really enjoyed it, but for some part of me always knew that as far as I can go in any of these things, at some point they will hit a limit. So I thought, what else can I do in the world? There's nothing that will fulfill this thing within me. And then I heard Sadhguru speaking one time, just saw his video on YouTube, and I thought, let's see what this guy has to offer, because I'm liking what he's saying, and yeah, that's why I did it. The first thing I noticed straight away was when my colleagues are struggling at work or there's a really intense situation at the office, for me, I'm handling it fine, and it just seems normal, but when I hear from them, they're saying, why are you not stressed? They're asking me questions. Somehow, whatever's happening externally doesn't really seem to decide how I am within myself. This is probably the biggest thing which I've noticed. Second of all, obviously, when people think about yoga, the health benefits. No knee pain, no back pain, no pains like this. This for me has been fantastic.